Unveiling the Secret. How to rake in the dough. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind a very popular expression, to rake in the dough. If you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it in your daily conversations, you're in the right place. Let's get started. To rake in the dough is an idiom that paints quite a vivid picture. It suggests earning a lot of money, often easily or at a very fast rate. Imagine using a rake, not to gather leaves, but to pull in heaps of cash. That's the visual this phrase evokes. It's commonly used in informal settings and can describe both individuals and businesses. To fully grasp this expression, let's break it down. Rake, here is used metaphorically. Normally, a rake is a garden tool used for collecting leaves, but in our idiom, it represents the act of collecting or earning money. Dough is a slang term for money. It's one of the many playful words the English language uses to talk about cash, similar to bucks or moolah. Combining these, to rake in the dough, suggests amassing a large sum of money, usually implying success or profitability. Understanding an idiom is one thing, using it correctly is another. Here are some examples to help you incorporate to rake in the dough into your conversations. After their latest product launch, the company started to rake in the dough, showing just how popular they've become. He bought stocks early in the technology company, and now he's raking in the dough. This side hustle might just be my way to rake in the dough and finally go on that dream vacation. Notice how the phrase can apply to different scenarios, from business success to personal financial gains. And there you have it, a deep dive into what it means to rake in the dough. This idiom is not just a fun way to talk about making money but also a peek into the creative richness of the English language. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in your own conversations. Remember, learning a language is like collecting treasures, one idiom at a time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.